Cancer Awareness Night, an online contest was conducted to select the child throwing the first pitch. Children shared stories of the home runs they hit while battling cancer. Tonight's winner was diagnosed with leukemia at 1.5 years old and battled it for 3 years. During those years, he and his sisters helped raise money for St. Baldrick's and donated their hair to Locks of Love. So I got tonight's honorary first pitch. Please welcome 8-year-old Cameron Landberg. When you're ready, Cameron, fire or strike to Chase Tingler. Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Globe Life Park in Arlington. It is baseball time in Texas.